The promise of stem cell therapy for diabetes. Every new day brings a promise, a chance for change. For millions living with diabetes, that change could mean freedom. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a chronic condition where the body struggles to regulate blood sugar due to insufficient insulin production. The pancreas plays a crucial role by producing insulin, the hormone responsible for controlling blood glucose levels. How stem cells can help? Encapsulation. Encapsulate stem cell-derived beta cells in a protective barrier that shields them. Immune modulation. Anti-CD3 monoclonal antibodies to suppress the autoimmune response against beta cells. Hypoimmune stem cell. Differentiate these cells without triggering an immune response with a lack of certain proteins.
Thank you for watching. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below.